Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out with showing you how to never lose your nether portal again in Minecraft. So this is actually a little complicated. It's not as simple as just using a compass. Or is it? I'm going to show you today how to do it. First thing you want to craft is a lodestone block. So all you want for that is some normal stone, and you want to craft those into stone bricks. You need a total of 8 of them. Then you want to craft them into slabs, just like that. And wait, I need two more. Kind of miscounted that one, but that's alright. Come. That's the one. Then you want to craft them like this. So you want a total of 8 of them. Then you want to put them all like this. And there's one thing that we're missing, which is going in the middle. So I'm going to grab that right now. And it is this netherite ingot, which is a little hard to get, I must be honest. But it should be easy enough to obtain. So this is how you want to craft it. I already have one, so I don't need to craft this one. Then what you want to do is craft a compass like this, which yet again I already have. Some redstone in the middle, there you go. You want to grab both of those. I'm going to put this netherite back. And I'm going to make my way into the nether. So, sometimes you may be walking through the nether and you have no idea where your portal is. This is going to prevent that completely. So we're going to place down the lodestone next to the portal right here. We're just going to point the compass to it, just like that. Right click it, and as you can see, it's always going to point towards it. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.